Alright. There you go. Oh, don't go pee there, man.
What do you know?
Oh no, he doesn't know what to fucking do. Whoa!